It's a sacred age of the ancient oracles. Gonna document this crazy fucking storm. This is some harp ass shit. Woo! This shit's like falling. There's like embers falling, man. Look at how much wind there is. And there's barely any fucking clouds in the sky. Yeah. This is nuts. I think it's something to do with maybe the gravity too.
The fucking metal thing off. Offset that boom.
That piece fell from that. That car's probably gonna fall over. I'm going down. I think it might have something to do with the moon because it was fucking huge, man. My camera won't even pick them up. Yeah, my camera barely picks anything up. Whoa. God damn, I wish we could get these trees to fucking... It won't show them though. I don't know. I guess it's how intense the wind's going through the trees.
Oh shit, man, the door's ripped open.
The door's just ripped open on the fucking church. See that shit? That's fucking insane, man. Wish I could get these trees. That is fucking crazy. I can't believe it ripped open the fucking church doors.
Yeah, man, they're locked.
Shows how much God's in charge, eh? Holy fuck, man.
God is
I had to get the flag.
Close. The storm door.
Oh. That was fucking crazy. Yeah, rip the church doors open. What up? Camera shy?
Yeah.
Dead entities.
That was fucked up.
Was it?
Hell yes.
It's fucking crazy out there. I've never even seen a tornado move trees like that. Harp.